Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. And as you can see today, I'm in the kitchen and very busy. I've got 5 burners on my stove and I'm using all 5 at the moment. I could do with the 6 actually. But the big pressure canner's got dog food in. It's got another half an hour to go. But I'm also going to can up some of the potatoes out of the garden and dehydrate some as well. So I'll show you as much as I can do. This is about a third of the potatoes I got out of the garden. I've got the majority of them. There's a few left, but I'm not going out in the rain pulling potatoes. So I've been through all my potatoes and sorted them out. So I've got some really small ones, the next size up, and ones that I think need dealing with and looking at because they've got little holes in them and that. So I want to go through them, check them and do something with them. So I'm going to check these out. The larger ones that I think will store for a while, they're in my shed at the moment. Yeah, the noise is me canner percolating away with dog food in. I've cut some of the potatoes up. I've had to peel the majority of them. There was a lot of holes in them that have gone off, but I got these off and I thought I'm going to can them now. So I've got my water on to boil. That's one of the burners. I'm going to blanch these now for about 3 to 5 minutes. You can see the size of the potatoes. So I'm going to blanch them 3 to 5 minutes and then can them up. So I'll get everything ready for that. Now boil the potatoes, blanch them for about 4 minutes, and now I'm going to put them in jars, and my jars have been warming in the sink because you don't need to sterilise your jars when you're actually pressure canning. Don't know how many jars I'm going to get. My camera switched itself off and the battery was low, and so I just carried on doing stuff. But I just thought I'd show you what I've done today. I've got my potatoes sliced up to about 1/4 inch and they're now on the dehydrator. I've got 16 jars of dog food and there is, look at the bubbles in that one, if you can see them. It's another one that's going a bit on the nut side. Yep, but that's 7 jars of potatoes. That's what I've done with some of the potatoes so far, about a third of what I've had out the garden. Thank you. Bye.
It's a